Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Pipedrive account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your Gmail account to your Pipedrive? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to connect your Gmail to Pipedrive anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to keep on top of customer email requests, and by connecting your Gmail, that can help keep everything organized. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Pipedrive account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Pipedrive, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and link or connect your Gmail to Pipedrive, here on the left blue menu, you're going to look for this little envelope looking icon. Go ahead and click on there. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this box right here, and you want to go ahead and enter in your Gmail address here, and then click on connect email account. I'm going to do that off screen. Okay, once you do that, you're going to want to choose the Gmail account that you want to connect to your Pipedrive account. For me, I just have this one, so I'm going to click on there. Okay, next, Google's going to let you know that Pipedrive is trying to sign in and get access to your Gmail. If you're okay with that, click on continue. Okay, next you need to choose what permissions you want Pipedrive to have access with your Gmail. For me, I'm going to click select all, and then you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom. Once you scroll down, click on this continue button. Okay, next the page is going to refresh, and then Pipedrive is going to ask you to go ahead and sync up your Gmail account. So you want to click on this green start sync button. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see your Gmail address right here, and right next to it, you should see the connected button or green icon. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Gmail to your Pipedrive, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.